Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best Bentgo lunch bags on the market, the Bentgo Kids Lunch Bag. If you're searching for a reliable, durable, and stylish lunch bag designed specifically for kids aged 3 and up, this one deserves your attention. The Bentgo Kids Lunch Bag stands out with its premium materials and thoughtful design. Crafted with food-safe materials that are free from harmful chemicals like PFAS, BPA, vinyl, lead, and PVC, this lunch bag prioritizes safety for your little ones. The fabric is water-resistant, so spills and messes are easy to manage, making it perfect for everyday school use, daycare, or even outings. One of the key features of this lunch bag is its double-insulated thermal compartment. This ultra-thick insulation is designed to keep your child's meals fresh for longer, which is essential when you want to ensure that food stays at the right temperature throughout the day. Whether it's a chili sandwich or a refreshing snack, you can count on this bag to maintain quality and freshness. In terms of size, the Bentgo Kids Lunch Bag is compact yet roomy enough to hold a Bentgo lunchbox, extra snacks, and even a water bottle. Its dimensions of 11 inches by 9.5 inches by 3.5 inches provide ample space without being bulky. It's lightweight, which means your child won't feel weighed down carrying it around. The strong YYK zippers are designed for small hands, making opening and closing effortless. Carrying options on this bag are incredibly versatile. It features a padded, adjustable shoulder strap that can be customized to fit comfortably, plus a handle for easy grabbing. Additionally, it comes with a built-in buckle and D-ring attachments, so you can easily clip the lunch bag onto a backpack for hands-free transport, perfect for busy mornings or on-the-go days. Cleaning the Bentgo Kids Lunch Bag is simple and convenient. The fabric wipes clean easily with a damp cloth, so you don't have to worry about complicated or time-consuming maintenance. Just be sure not to soak it, which helps maintain the bag's integrity over time. Another great aspect is the range of fun color and print options available. With 26 different designs in the kids' prints collection, there's a pattern for every personality, making it easier to match your child's style and preferences. You can also complete the Bentgo set by pairing this lunch bag with matching Bentgo lunchboxes, water bottles, utensils, and backpacks, creating a coordinated and practical meal system. Bentgo backs this product with an industry-leading 2-year manufacturer's warranty, which reflects their confidence in the lunch bag's durability and long-lasting use. It's a dependable choice for parents who want a quality product that holds up through all the daily adventures kids go through. Last but not least, Bentgo is committed to giving back. They support Feed the Children, a non-profit organization dedicated to fighting hunger. Since 2017, Bentgo has donated nearly $300,000 to help children and families in need, so when you buy their products, you're also contributing to a worthy cause. To sum up, the Bentgo Kids Lunch Bag offers safety, durability, thoughtful features, and style all wrapped into one. It's designed with the needs of children and parents in mind, making it a standout choice in the world of kids' lunch bags. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more honest product insights. See you next time.